Hello everyone, today we are reviewing Ryobi CSB125 corded skill saw. It's actually a circular saw, and we gotta go open that really quick. The saw itself is a handle 18.4 centimeter blade, 7.41, and come with the one. And here's what we have inside the box: instruction manual, read, safe, always wear glasses, and all of that. It's probably a very nice product that made in China, and it's just like very nice to use it. Always, if you're in the store, make sure you buy yourself a good blade, otherwise you end up using something like this. While you're here, make sure you look for tools. There are always tools inside. Alright. Place your saw anywhere you like to place it. Look for the pin on the back, usually like this right here. Hold that pin. Ow! Lose this.
Дело в том, что мы просто купили лишнее колесо. Мы за него заплатили за это колесо.
Нет.
Как нет?
Отдельно, не платили мы.
Там было колесо.
Ну,
За это заплатили за колесо.
Окей, посмотрим сейчас. Открутим это самое, короче.
Вы заплатили за него.
Так, уперлись. Gotta tie that thing. Let's see.
Я как сейчас помню, она его сканировала.
Ага.
Там бы дополнительное колесо мы купили. Я подумала, да.
Ресит покажешь? Ресит покажешь? Покажешь ресит мне? Take this thing out, make sure you get this thing out too. So you usually get like this pin right here, and then you go to, you're gonna have this blade. Let's say this is the front. You always have to put the bottom on front like this, so most of this picture's outside. Place the washer on first, then placed this, place this puppy, then a washer, then you use a tie to tie that thing. Well, where did this washer came from? And that's where it's supposed to go to. Now we're going to go ahead and test that thing. Alright. Got one was short, so we get the breakers off. This is a good one. It should work. Spent 15 minutes to prepare everything. Okay, we'll try to cut this thing right now. Great. As you can see, it's pretty strong. Doing the work and doing it very well. Very important that this guard is work. So after work you can just place it or throw it without worrying about being damaged something. Even like this, pretty strong power. This thing has 13 ampere motor, 5 working at 5,000 RPM, and looks like to me works just perfect. It is all work just fine. Okay guys, this was review for Ryobi skill saw, just like that, with the blade, with everything, for only I think 24 or either 20 to $30. Alright, thanks for watching my video. Hope that will help someone.